Hey Tractor Chasers, in today's video we are out in the field with a John Deere 9420 working on spring tillage in central New York. This tractor is rated at 425 horsepower and it's powered by a 12.5 liter John Deere diesel engine. Let's go listen to this tractor at work and then we'll get into some of the details of why you might choose to run triple tires on your tractor. The John Deere 9420 was the third largest in the 9020 series from John Deere. They were produced from 2002 through 2007. Triple tires used to be a lot more common to see on big four-wheel drive tractors. Tire technology has improved a lot over the years with things like low sidewall technology and improved rubber compounds. But at the time that these tractors were produced, wide duals could have the problem of power hop because they would grip into the soil and bounce because the rubber had too much flex in it. These triple tires, having more tire and sidewall area, gave better traction and reduced that power hop that was common at the time. With modern tire technology today, you just don't get that power hop that you used to, so the benefits of a triple tire setup aren't as much as they would have been in the past. They also are very difficult to get down the road. This tractor takes up most of the two-lane road, so it really leaves little room for cars to get by and can make it tough in tight areas. This 9420 is pulling a 34-foot Kuhn 8210 vertical tillage disc, running at around 6 to 8 miles an hour, and you can cover around 30 acres per hour. I hope you've enjoyed being out in the field with this John Deere 9420 disking in central New York. If you love seeing tractors at work, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.